In order to take off the side cap or charging USB-C port cover on your Insta360 X3 camera, first make sure to open the cap by sliding the button up using your thumb or nails until you hear a click sound. Now open the cap to an angle of 90 degrees from the camera as shown in the video. Next, using your thumb and index finger, carefully grab the USB cover and pull it outwards. Keep pulling it without any hesitation as it won't break the cap. With little pressure outwards, you will be able to pull the cover off. Next, you can mount your mic, quick reader, etc. Also, carefully place your USB cover in your bag or somewhere safe so that you can put it back when the work is done. Plus, when you remove the cap, then your camera is not at all waterproof, so don't put your camera in water with open lid. Moreover, once your work is done, then put the USB cover back in the same position as we took it out. So, put its two small hooks on the little metal pin and then press it inwards this time. Once you feel like the cover is set into its location, then try to close the cap to its original position. Once done, make sure to press it tightly because if you do it loosely, then you will see the orange color strip on it, which means the lid is not sealed properly. So using your thumb, press the USB cover down or use your nails to slide the small pin down until you hear a click sound and you no longer can see the orange strip. Lastly, if you found the video useful, then do hit like and subscribe to support my efforts. Thank you.